of course, new unit for you guys from Xrsbeauty. This is one of their clear lace units that I think I've raved about the last half of 2021, the last half of the year. I have been so in love with these units. If you have not gotten one, if you haven't heard about them, stay here, watch this video. But the lace on these units, impeccable. So the unit that I'm wearing, I will put all the information down below in the description box, but it's their clear lace unit, straight, 200% density in 20 or 22 inches. I can't remember, but of course it is linked below. Also, I want to give you a quick visualization, just a quick demo with clear lace, brown lace, and transparent lace. That's coming up soon. But this is actually my second time recording this video because my wig cap was showing in my first video. So I'm gonna start this video probably not looking like this, but I tried to do it as close as possible because I already cut the lace off and all that good stuff, but I just could not put that video up because this lace, when I tell you this lace is so clear, it's the reason why it's called clear lace. I was like, what the heck? I couldn't see it like at my angle, but on camera when I finally finish, I don't check my videos until I'm finished with them. I was like, dang, yeah, no, you can see right through that wig because the lace is impeccable. So anyways, just wanted to put that out there, you guys. This clear lace, I am almost 100% sure should go with every skin tone. The hair has also been washed, so I've already worn this wig 3 times, you guys, in less than a week. So I've washed it, deep conditioned, all that stuff. It feels good. The hair feels amazing. This is why they were one of my top units and top companies for 2021. So if you have not watched that video that I mentioned them in my top hairstyles, I did everything from wigs to braids to whatever. I think I'm going to insert the video right here. I'll also put it down in the description box, but it just goes over my favorite protective styles. Other than that, you guys, it is obvious I am in love with this unit. So let me stop talking, let me stop blabbing. Let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so before we get into this unit, quick demo on all 3 laces. So the first one I'm gonna lay down using my normal hairspray is the clear lace from XRS. This is going to be your transparent lace, and then the last is going to be brown lace. And honestly, you can already see the clear winner when it comes to just being undetectable on the skin is going to be the top one, the clear lace. So I just wanted you guys to see them all side by side. The clear you don't have to do anything with. The transparent is not bad at all. You just have to add a little bit foundation, and then the brown is regular old brown lace. Getting into this unit, you guys, so this unit is actually 20 inches, straight texture, but this is where XRS shines. Their clear lace and their clean hairline is so natural. You don't have to do anything with it. They've already done the hard work with plucking the hairline for you, bleaching the knots. That's really like the most time consuming thing when it comes to wigs. And that's why I've really been liking partnering with them and showing you guys these new units that I have discovered and this new company that I've discovered this year as well. So this is a part of the older video that I told you guys that I just could not put out, but I wanted you to see the hairline, and I want you to just see the wig before I ended up cutting the lace off. I do what I normally do here, but you can clearly see the wig cap straight through because I was using a different wig cap. This color, the brown color, is the one I typically use. Actually, not typically, I always use whenever I'm doing this particular company because that lace it just is impeccable. I keep saying impeccable. Oh my gosh. It's just really good, you guys, and it shows straight through. So another thing that I am doing is doing a side part. You guys, I have not done a side part in like 7 or 8 months. I just did not think they were looking good on me, so I haven't done one in so long, but I was like, you know what? I'm about to end the year with a side part video, and that's what I'm doing, and I don't know why I have not been doing it because I love the turnout with this unit. So just using my normal bed head of TG hairspray and getting this unit all nice and melted. All right, you guys. So at this point, I was feeling so much better. I was like, okay, this is going to turn out really good. I'm cutting a little bit more of my hairline, like my baby hairs, even though I've already cut them, just kind of adding a few more pieces to them like I normally do, and then using my little eyebrow razor and my Design Essentials foam that I always use, and just gonna kind of do a few swoops here and there to get these edges nice and laid. Another thing with this unit, like with having this kind of unit that's already pre-plucked, gives you a really natural hairline and pre-bleached already, is that doing this is optional. If you don't like a lot of baby hairs, if you don't like all those swoops and stuff, you really don't have to do it. I kind of wish I had the other video to show you guys. This unit looks super natural as well without adding anything additional. So if you're just not into the swoops and the baby hair, you will still be good and it will still look super natural. Also, one other thing is if you are into like doing bald caps, I've never done a bald cap on my channel, you guys. You guys know I like to wear my natural hair out in mini twists or just wear it out. Like I like to go from wigs to my natural hair to whatever. I don't even sleep in my unit, so I take them off every single night. So I just like to have the option of wearing different hairstyles. But if you do the bald cap method, this wig is absolutely perfect for that. It kind of just makes me want to try it, to be honest with you guys. I can't even believe I'm saying that, but this is a great unit to do the bald cap method with. So after I got my edges laid, this is how we are looking, you guys. I'm just going to use my good old brush. I found this Cantu brush at Target. It's really nice. It's probably one of my most favorite paddle brushes. I don't know, you guys, there's something about it. The bristles on there, it's a really good brush. So if you see this Cantu at Target, I highly advise you pick it up. Anyways, just putting that out there. So next, I'm just gonna grab my Croc flat iron and just gonna flat iron this hair because it is freshly washed and I really wanted it to be sleek. So I took kind of not super tiny sections because I don't have the patience for that. I never do, but kind of like sections like you see that I'm doing, and just doing the chase method and getting this hair kind of as straight as possible. I didn't really want to use too much heat. I don't like to use a whole bunch of heat in my units because I feel like just beating them down with a lot of heat is just unnecessary, and you want to do whatever you can possibly do to increase the longevity of your wig. So I try not to use too much heat with them, but just flat ironing it as best as I can. And then I'm going to take my wax stick and really get to the roots, especially around the part, because I didn't really want a big swoop right here, but I really wanted this back part to be as flat as possible, and then the side part to be nice and flat as well. So just taking my TG wax stick, going in between close to the scalp as possible, then gonna take my hot comb that y'all realize I've had this hot comb for almost 4 years now, and it's still going strong. This is one of the best $20 I've ever spent. But anyways, just taking my hot comb and running that through, making sure I get as close to the scalp as possible without burning myself. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. Just gonna add a little bit of hairspray to the top just to tame those flyaways, and then a little bit of shine spray on this unit and define my part a little bit more and add some powder to the hairline. And that is it for this look. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed all my wig videos of 2021. Don't forget to check out the description box for all details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays to you, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.